No matter how big or small, our customers have been our priority for over 100 years.
Hi, I'm Bill Esselman, service technician with Sutton Garden. And I'm going to show you today how to switch over from your bulk tank to your backup tank in a simple process that takes less than a minute. We created a sticker to show you the bulk side and the backup. If you follow these lines from your switchover valve, you'll see that this one goes to your bulk tank and this one goes to the backup. The switchover valve, when it's pointing to the bulk tank, makes an L shape here. This is your supply line, and this is your bulk tank. As you see, it's pointed this way. Now, if your bulk tank runs out, you'll want to switch this over to your backup. You'll turn this counterclockwise. Your pressures will go up on your regulator, and now you're all set. Now, some regulators will have an additional shutoff valve. If your regulator has a shutoff, it should be in the off position. I'm switching the switch over to the backup position. Push it down to the open position. Open your cylinder counterclockwise all the way. Now you have pressures and you're all set.
Sutton Garten is a proud member of the Independent Welding Distributors Cooperative, the Gases and Welding Distributors Association, and the Indianapolis Chamber of Commerce. Creating quality products and services that win customer loyalty for your business is our business.